Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And usually at the beginning of each month, we take a look at the different Windows operating systems, where they are in the scale of importance. And what we see this month is Windows 10, of course, dominating. That is obvious at 78.4%. If we look at the stats for July was 78.38, and we had 78.89. So it's slightly down over the past couple of months, but it's still, of course, largely dominating in Windows 10 operating system, in Windows operating system, sorry. Windows 7, 16%. Windows 7 is now a year, pretty much a year and a half since it's been the end of support has happened, and it's actually increased 0.5% here, which is probably like the margin of error of this statistic. And a lot of this 16% has to do with enterprise. A lot of enterprise are on the long-term support that they're paying, and some of them are not yet ready to move on to Windows 10. Windows 8.1 and Windows 8. If we put that together, is 4.6%. Windows XP and Windows Vista, of course, very low numbers, but still there. So that's pretty much what it looks like right now. But it's interesting to see. Windows 7 has been pretty much holding steady. If we look back, 16, really holding steady at 16%. It's as if this is, and the pandemic might have, of course, not helped in upgrading some of the machines also. But Windows 10 dominating at 78.43%. And if we look at the general operating systems, and this one's an interesting one. So Windows, it's 73% pretty much of all the operating systems. But if we look, you see that it's slowly going down. In the past year, if we look, it's kind of going down slowly. And one of the problems might be Chrome OS that is taking place. So Chrome OS is showing up right now at 1.2% of all computers, but because of its very fast increase, this number is going to increase at a pretty healthy pace probably as time goes by. So this is going to be one to check out for sure in the Chromebooks. OS 10 Mac computers accounting at 15% of all operating systems right now, and Linux 2.38. Linux has been pretty much at 2% roughly over the past 20 years. It's not really moving much. OS 10, 15% of overall operating system use is roughly what it's been for quite a while. And so these are not moving much. But Windows is slowly losing a little bit of ground. And I think some of it will have to do with Chrome OS taking some Windows machines away. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.